Everywhere. Everywhere. Asshole. Bullshit. This fucking city is a fucking hell of hells. Fucking know that. You're not human beings. You're fucking crazy motherfucking animals running each other over. Don't care about each other. You fucking suck, all you motherfuckers. Word. Put the word. You fucking fools. Bullshit motherfuckers. Start the train. I want to get out of here. Come on, let's go, assholes. Move it. What are you waiting for? Come on, let's go. Just to hold up, fucking assholes. Do your job, get the train going. Fucking asshole motherfuckers. New York bullshit.